Alright guys, the first thing you're gonna do is one screw down the side of here. One screw. You just flathead screwdriver and take out that piece. There's another screw inside of here. Use a really small one. Take that piece out. Then use a Phillips head. That's one. The next one is inside of here. Take that out. Pop that piece off. Now you're gonna put your screwdriver between the edge, and you're gonna pull the trim panel towards you. See? Put it really hard. Pull it towards you. And then you're gonna go up with it. First, go ahead and take out this. Disconnect the wires. Disconnect it out. Then put it up. Up. That's how you do that. Put it up. See? Now, that's how you take out the trim panel. The other side. Now we're gonna take off the mirror. Piece out of there. Okay. Now, there's 3 screws inside of here. Once you take that white piece out of there, there's 3 screws on the inside. You're gonna remove them 3 screws and the mirror shall pop off. Undo the light. By the way, them screws is a 10 millimeter. That's what the screws look like, 10 millimeter. 3 of them. Now, before you take out the last screw, you want to hold it first. You hold it so it won't drop. Go up. Then you take out the wire. See, that's how you take out the mirror. this piece right here, I had to move this piece because they have the wire for the mirror wrapped around the channel. So I had to get up inside here to loose the wire from off the run channel. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to take out the handle. First thing first, you see the black piece right there, that black tab? You wanna pop that black tab out of there. Go ahead and pop it out. See? Okay. This is a T25 star tip. T25. You're gonna take that screw from out of there. See that screw? You turn it to the left to unscrew it. Now that you unscrew it, you're gonna put your screwdriver, a flathead, right between the edge, and you're gonna pry it out. Open the handle up, you're gonna pry it out. And you're gonna hold it and you're gonna unscrew it some more to take off the pressure from off it. Pry it out. Okay, this one is locked, so you gotta use the key to open it up. Now you're gonna use the key fob, undo the key from out the fob. Stick the key inside the hole. And take it out with the key. Sometimes when you unscrew it from there, it just pop right out. But once you try to pop it out and it does not come out, that means it's locked. Use the key fob to take it out. And you're gonna put the key fob inside the key so you won't lose it. And you're gonna hold the handle. You're gonna slide it towards you. See? Now this handle have a plug on the inside of it. I have a wire, which means you gotta take off this piece to undo the wire. Sometimes they have the wire, sometimes they don't. It depends on the model of the vehicle. Okay, now we're gonna take off this piece to get to that wire, to unplug that wire. Best way to unplug that wire, you gotta drop the glass and take out the glass to get to the wire, because the glass is connected to the channel on this black piece right here. But sometimes I be cheating it. I pry it open. See? It's right there. Just push back the white tip and take out the plug. That's how you take out the handle without removing the glass. Now let's go do the back door. And this is the back door. This is the back door trim panel, the back door. It's the same process as the front. There's a screw right here, and a screw up inside of here. The Phillips. The Phillips head screwdriver. Take out that one. Take this black piece from out of there. Number 2. Take this piece out to unplug the wires. See, you just pick a screwdriver inside of it and pry it open. See? Pry it open, and you unplug it. Bam. That's the handle. Now, the same process for the front door. You're gonna put the screwdrivers inside of it and put it towards you. Put your hand in it, put it towards you. Now you put it up. See? Bam, that's it. That's how you take off the trim panels. Now we're going to take off the handle. See that tab right there? Undo that tab. Take the black tab out. T27. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it all the way. Take a screwdriver between the wedge, hold it, right out. See? Yeah. Now you hold the handle, put it towards you, away from the door. See? This one don't have no wire, the back door don't. That's how you do that, guys. That's how you take off. That's how you take off the trim panel, the mirror, and the handle from off a 016 Mazda CX-5, okay? I'll catch you guys on the next one. Please, guys, like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate it. Thank you. Have a nice day.